going to Luxlane. Luxlane? Yeah, we're going to Luxlane here, Perth. So, thank you to Bernadette to have borrowed to the car. This Robert's gonna driving. So, today have a looking. It's just very looking. Is very nice view. It's lovely. Look, it's lovely. It's nice. Look. Ganito dito ang ang lugar dito parang ang deserto. Yan o. Yung puti na yan, ano yan? Buhangin. Buhangin yan, puti. Buhangin. Oh, yan na dagat. Yan, dagat yan. Ayan, dagat. Ayan, buhangin yan. Puti. Grabe. Awa. Look. White sand. Is that white sand? White sand. Puti. Sobrang puti. White sand. Oh. Yan. Oh. Ito yung mga view dito sa Perth. Yan, dagat yan. Ayan. Ayan, dagat. Ayan. Yan o, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Sobra. Guys, nakita ninyo yung view. Ang view. Nakita ninyo yung view. Sobrang ganda. So very beautiful, lovely. So beautiful. Nice, very nice. Looking here. Here is no tree. It's not same there in Melbourne is looking at more tree, the big tree. Here nothing tree. Ayan. Ayan o.